Hello boating and towless community. If you got your boat laid up, here's a quick tip for you to make sure that your battery stays fresh and ready for you for the next season. If you watched my last video, you see that I installed this power port that goes directly to the battery. It's always hot. What this has done is allowed me to install a float trickle charger. I bought this shoemaker unit, and it keeps a charge on that battery all winter long. Batteries love to stay charged with a float. They don't like to be left alone. They'll go bad quickly if you do not maintain them through the off season. Hey, if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Please help me get to 1,000 subscribers.